Templafy's integration with Microsoft 365 Copilot brings together the best of AI and rules-based automation. Meet Rick, an excellent account executive. When he is moving fast with opportunities, he doesn't want to waste time in document creation. Now that Rick uses Microsoft 365 Copilot, he can access all information at one place. Rick can prompt Copilot to summarize all the latest details as a starting point. Templafy and Copilot work together to identify the most suitable template for Rick. Thanks to Templafy compilation engine, all Rick needs to do now is to answer a few questions, and Templafy automatically creates the proposal by utilizing content and data from multiple sources like CRM, company AI models, and Templafy libraries. The generated presentation already follows the brand and compliance guardrails of the company, making Rick's job faster. Sections like problem analysis is created with AI using Rick's notes from CRM. But pricing and packaging is not touched by AI, so that organizations can have full control over this. Once the document is generated, Rick can edit it by utilizing powerful AI agents available within Templafy. Templafy has saved Rick valuable time that can now be spent on more strategic work. And so can all knowledge workers across the organization. Stay tuned for more.